5 things we learned about Cassper from his Thuto album. As rapper Cassper Nyovest has become less confrontational in his feuds with his rivals, he has often said that he would respond to before speculation about his private life through his music. And he did just that with his album Thuto. Named after his older sister, the album is his most personal to date, including several revelations about the rapper and his personal life. Although it is filled to the brim with gems, here are just 5 things we learned from the album. Cassper did cheat on Boydie? While Boydie told Zancy that her relationship with Cassper had nothing to do with him cheating or giving other girls more attention, Cassper admitted on the track "I Wasn't Ready For You" that he started giving the side BTCHS her side of the bed. He got his heart broken. Cassper once again opened up about his relationships, this time dealing with the emotions of chasing a girl only for her to choose a businessman over him. He channeled his feels into the song Destiny. He once got angry with his dad for not buying him new shoes featuring the legendary Xolani. Superman is a song dedicated to Cassper's dad. Besides being a tribute to his old man, Cassper also speaks about not growing up rich and once being angry about his dad not being able to buy him new shoes. He was too ashamed to have friends over. Staying with the same theme, Bentley Coupe sees Cassper admit that he was once so embarrassed about being broke, he refused to have friends over at his house and instead always went to their homes. He made $500 million for AG Mobile deal. Cassper was stunting on 100 when he flaunted a new deal with AG Mobile in 2016 and claimed on Living Good that he had made the company $500 million by associating with it.